Hi, I'm Dr. Abhishek Tripathi, interventional cardiologist at Jaitis Hospital, Ahmedabad. Heart disease is one of the most common disease in the world, and this causes maximum mortality all over the world. If you see, this is the number one killer. After that comes cancer and accident and all kind of infectious disease, but number one killer all over the world, including India, is heart disease. There are many myths surrounding the heart disease. Like we think that heart disease mostly happens in rich nations, the Western countries. Now the data is different. Heart disease is mostly occurring in India, China. So this southern Asia comprises almost one third of the heart disease all over the world. So the highest, most concentrated pocket of heart disease patients are there in the India itself. The second myth which we have mostly that heart disease mostly occurs in rich. If you see, more than 60% patients they come from the lower economic or the middle lower economic socioeconomic status. So this is again a myth that this occurs only in richer population and richer people. Then the other myth was that the patients of heart disease are mostly elderly. They are mostly of advanced age. That is also not correct because we are seeing nowadays more and more younger population, more and more young adults being affected by heart disease and heart attack and all these problems. So, looking at the importance of heart disease and so much prevalence of heart disease because it's so much rampant, how we can prevent heart disease? The most common prevention is better than cure. If we prevent the occurrence of heart disease, that is the best policy. So for prevention, what we can do, the healthy lifestyle, which costs nothing. Healthy lifestyle includes simple like quitting all your bad habits like quitting smoking, quitting tobacco consumption, quitting excessive alcohol consumption and all. Then you can go for some daily exercise, daily moderate to heavy moderate exercise, daily walking for 45 minutes at least 5 to 6 days a week. That helps you a lot in maintaining a healthy heart. You should opt rather for a healthy diet. You should be avoiding outside binge eating or outside eating. Try to eat maximally whatever is cooked at your home. So home cooked food or homemade food is one of the best things which you can have. All these binge eating and all this fried fatty stuff which is widely available all over the world should be avoided. Then achieving optimum weight is also important. As the overweight is a problem, the underweight is also a problem. So achieving an optimum weight is a good policy for having a healthy heart. If we go, like what happens for those patients who have heart disease? If you want to know how do they basically present? Mostly they have some kind of central chest discomfort. They don't have like left side. The heart is not on the left side. It's basically in the center of the heart. So they mostly have a central chest discomfort. They don't have any specific word to explain it. They have some kind of suffocation, uneasiness, heaviness with perspiration, lot of sweating, maybe some with associated with shortness of breath. So these symptoms are important, and the patients present with these kind of symptoms. You may develop or you may feel like while on exerting or after meal you are having some shortness of breath, or while walking after meals or while on stress you are having some chest discomfort. These are early signs of a heart disease, and whenever you are having these kind of symptoms you should be meeting your cardiologist or you should be meeting your doctor for further evaluation and risk stratification how significant disease you have as of now, right now. So whenever you are having any doubt that you are having some heart disease, or as I mentioned that if you are having some symptoms like central chest discomfort or some shortness of breath or chest pain while walking or after having meals, so you should be consulting your doctor. Don't self-medicate. Don't assume that this is gastritis, this is some gas problem, which is very common in India. We feel that every problem is related with gas. So see your cardiologist, see your doctor, take their proper opinion, get yourself investigated, and then start proper medicine. Once you have been diagnosed that you are having a heart disease, follow your doctor's advice, whatever advice he has given, either for medical management or some kind of intervention or surgery, whatever advice he has given, follow that advice and then maintain a strict compliance with medication as well as for the lifestyle modifications advice, whatever your doctor has given to you. So maintaining a strict compliance with the medicine is also important. And while prevention of heart disease, like we mostly think the heart is separate and hypertension, diabetes is separate. If you can control your hypertension and diabetes in an effective way and in a well-mannered way, this also prevents development of heart disease or worsening of heart disease. So management of comorbidities like hypertension, diabetes is equally important like management of your heart disease. So this concept also should be kept in mind while managing yourself.